Alright boys and girls, and welcome to Chord Guitar Snow Patrol. This is the beginning. Okay, so let's take a look at the beginning, and we're gonna go clean here, no need for any capo, and that's a good scenario. We also have 7 chords to handle for this one, but yeah, let's start with those and let's take the rest later. Starting with G now, and that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. E minor next, and that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. C, so C goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have bar chords here, 2 of those, so we're gonna start with the A sharp. We're gonna go with the sus version. That's a little bit easier. So you play a bar on the 1st fret, you bar 5 strings from bottom and up like this, and then you need to add 3rd on D and 3rd on G. The next bar chord is the B minor. Now you have this bar index finger on the 2nd fret, same strings, 5 strings, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We also have the D. Okay, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And I believe that's all the chords. Yeah, 6 chords only, perhaps I said 7. Yeah, better scenario 6. Now let's take a look at the verse play. So we have the chord progression that goes G, E minor, C, A sharp, and back to C. To start with here in the first verse, we're just gonna play 1 down per chord, and it's a big pause in between this chord. So G, E minor, C, A, C, like this. That was 2 rounds. You're gonna play 4 rounds of that, and that is the first verse. Over now to the chorus. Here we have a different strumming, pretty similar but not anyway, and we also have the strumming pattern going on here, so we're gonna learn that as well. So it starts with G again. So this strumming will be divided into 2 different parts. So the first part will be just down clap. So that's part 1. And then comes part 2, which goes up, up, down, clap. That's it for part 2. So if you put that together, 1 string around will be down, clap, up, up, down, clap. Okay, so with that, we're gonna play G, 1 full round, E minor, 1 full round, D, 1 full round, then C, part 1, the down clap, and D, part 2, up, up, down, clap. You're gonna play that for 4 rounds. So a couple of rounds goes like this. Like that for 4 rounds, and that is the first chorus. Back now to the second verse. You're gonna have the same chord progression, G, E minor, C, and A sharp and C, but now you're gonna use the same strumming here. That gives us that you're gonna play G 1 full round, E minor 1 full round, C 1 full round, then A sharp part 1 and C part 2. For 2 rounds, it goes like this. So there you have the second verse for 2 rounds in the way we just played. Then comes the second chorus. played exactly in the same way as the first one. 4 rounds of that, and that takes us to the bridge part. The bridge part happens about 2 minutes and 28 seconds into the song, and that bridge part is a combined bridge and outro part. We're not gonna come back to the verses and choruses in that order in any way, so we just play now till the very end, and it will go G, E minor, and now comes the B minor, C, and D. You're gonna play 1 down per chord of that chords, those chords there. G, E minor, B minor, C, D. You're gonna do that for 2 rounds, so the pauses in between. Round. All right, then comes the chorus play. You're gonna do that for 2 rounds of strumming, so that means G, E minor, D, 1 full round of these chords, and then C part 1 and D part 2. Do that for 2 rounds. We already did that, and then you're gonna end with the same chords, but now only for 1 down per chord, and you're going to do that for 2 chord progression rounds as well. And with that is the end of the Snow Patrol's The Beginning. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Hope it was helpful. If it was, please let me know, thumb up this tutorial, and support me here on Chord and Guitar. Alright guys, hope to see you soon. Play tuned.